How to change App Store country. To change your App Store country on your iPhone, you can follow these easy steps. All you have to do is open the App Store on your iPhone, then simply tap on your name at the top right corner of your screen. And after you tap on your name, you will be navigated to the App Store's account settings. Then tap on your Apple ID again at the top. Now, this time, tap on the country/region option available there from the account settings. Now, wait for a few moments for change country or region to appear on your screen. Once you see it, simply tap on it. Then you can see a long list of countries available on your screen. Scroll down and choose one according to your preferences. Once you choose one, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the terms and conditions. Now all you have to do is read and agree to the terms and conditions for the new country or region. Now update your payment information. You may be asked to update your payment method, but you can simply tap on the none if you do not have any payment, and make sure to enter details according to the new country's requirements. Once you have updated everything, it will be changed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.